Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming to you guys again with yet another video. And I've been slacking, so first off, before we even get up into this video, I gotta say shouts out to the Finesse gang, those who get here early, finesse the bell, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment early on the video and you might see your name up on this list right here. So today is Friday, kind of a chill day. It's actually 66, almost 70 degrees outside in January in Virginia Beach today. Crazy. But as far as today's hit list goes, I gotta hit the post office for sure. And matter of fact, let me go ahead and grab these boxes. It'll just be a quick jump cut for you, hold on. So a quick shout out to, let's see, Jeremy Fox for copping that Clippers hat. Also shouts out to the homie Carlo. I think he copped Obsidian 15s. And then shouts out to the homie Geronimo out there in LA. He copped the EQTs. Now those are all the people that copped something off of Bull's Bodega. I've been trying to add new stuff up there. A lively like marketplace, because I usually not really add anything, but at this point there's definitely some stuff I can let go of. So if you ever have a chance, if you wear a similar size to me, 11.5 or 11.5 through like 13, I throw shoes up there. I throw anything that I pick up from the thrift that I don't keep myself. Anything that I'm selling that I'm letting go out of the personal vault goes up on Bull's Bodega. So listen, Finesse gang, thank you. Shouts out to all of them who cop something, but let's get into today. So today's video, I got something very special for y'all. A lot of people were asking for a giveaway. So I have something special for everybody, but you will see that in the end of the video. Today though, like I said, we need to hit the post office. So before we hop in the whip, real quick note, a lot of people were asking me, a lot of people were like pissed off that I left the 2017 Air Jordan 1 Royals off of my 2017 list, like my best of 2017 shoes. Honestly, I forgot that release re-happened, and then once I was like, oh shit, they definitely would have made it somewhere on the list, probably pretty high. It's just because I already have a pair of Royals. I love the Royals for sure, but I wouldn't have put them so high in the list just because I already have that shoe. And for me, I'm just doubling up, and actually I tripled up on that shoe. I actually got 2 pairs of the 2017 release. So that's why that shoe did not make it to my list. So I told y'all I had something big for y'all. I don't think y'all can understand how big this box really actually is, but this is only one. This one, oh, this guy, I told y'all I had something for you, hold on. And here is the other box. So we have 2 boxes of blessings for me and you. But for right now, we need to hit the post office before they close, so let's get it.
I hop in the coupe, go insane. I disappear, go David Blaine. We don't live the same. I feed all my bitches decaying. I never come to drown the pain like the octane. I'ma put 6 in a Lambo and jet to the plane. Move for this chain with your elbow. I hope you got aim. Don't need no more stains, but get high like my name. Yeah.
So since I didn't have time to do like a full video on this, a lot of people were asking me to do a Huncho Jack reaction, right? I didn't have enough time to do it, so I didn't do it. I had some other videos I needed to do, so I figured why not just kind of run through some of my favorite songs from the album with y'all and just kind of get my quick opinion on it. There's been like a lot of collab projects, Super Slimy with Future and Young Thug. That shit was kind of trash in my opinion. I feel like it was a couple good songs, but I mean, Protect Water was straight, maybe 1 or 2 other ones. I don't know, either Huncho Jack or the project with Metro Boomin, Without Warning, Metro Boomin and Offset and 21. That shit. Anyways, Huncho Jack. My overall thoughts, if I had to give it a score real quick, would be maybe a 7 to a 7.5 out of 10. I've been listening to it, but the songs I listen to the most are gonna be Huncho Jack and Where You From. I feel like any of the songs with those guitar licks, like in this shit, Modern Slavery, that shit, that shit's straight. That shit's straight. So that was like my real quick take on the whole Huncho Jack collab joint. I mean, Travis and Quavo, good duo. Travis and Young Thug, another crazy duo. So hopefully we see a Travis and Young Thug collab like next year. I'm pretty sure we're gonna see a lot more of these like collab tapes, but that's my quick pick. Best songs on the project to me are Where You From and Huncho Jack. I need to listen to it more. I literally haven't listened to it really heavily. I've gone through it maybe once or twice, and I wasn't going through it heavy because I was planning on making that video. So right now, if y'all know any other good ones I need to just pick up, maybe I slept on, Saint Laurent mask is hard too, but if y'all know of any other ones that is hard that I'm just sleeping on right now, hey, leave them down below. Y'all know I'm a Travis stan, and I mean, who doesn't fuck with Migos? So listen, the post office is right behind me. Let me run in here real quick and see if they got anything for me.
1 hour later.
And we are back in the studio. Listen, I know there were no blessings to be had at the P.O. box this time. No packages for you, but I did run by my parents' crib and there were, well, this one was there. These two are what I'm gonna be sharing with you guys today. So let me go ahead and break into this top package right here. So I think this one actually landed at my parents' crib today. I think this one is from Under Armour. Definitely need to get my address switched up on that, but I'm assuming this is one of the Curry 4s. And fun fact, I was gonna put the Curry 4 on my top shoes of 2017 just because I think the Curry 4 is the best thing to come out of Under Armour in a long time, and it is an SC, like I guessed, SC for Steph Curry. Boom, right there. Not only did they drop that crazy package on me last year, but I still think that the Curry 4 is a good shoe. It looks good on feet and it feels good when you wear it. And hold on, what is all this? Hold on, what? Y'all are seeing that, right? I don't know if this is like a Chinese New Year version of the Curry 4 or what. Hold on, let me go ahead. It's like this whole crazy detailing. It's all over the box actually. It's on the back as well. So hold on, let me just peep them out. Let's see what we got real quick. Okay, got a card. Flex up for the card. Christian, Happy New Year. Looking forward to working together and more in 2018 UA. As always, man, appreciate you guys over there. We'll go ahead and put that note up there and let's see what they sent. And these are exactly the pair that I thought they were gonna send over. My favorite thing about this pair right here, iridescent accents. So these right here are the Curry 4 more range, and like I said before, bro, I really like the look of this one. Got that crazy iridescent, almost oil slick feel on the UA logo. Back here you got SC for Steph Curry, and the whole uppers is crazy. I almost wanted to call it like a neoprene, but I'm pretty sure it's not neoprene. It might be. It just feels very, very flat, but it definitely feels good. But still, man, to this day, I think the Under Armour Curry 4, I think they did a really, really good job on this shoe, and it's gonna be kind of hard to top this one for sure. But yo, UA, appreciate you. More range Curry guys on deck. Thank you. And now it is time, bruh. I have been waiting and waiting to do this for you guys. Had a couple of videos come up, but listen, only one of the pairs of shoes and these two big boxes are mine. The rest I will be giving away completely for free. And all these rules will be down below in the description box. So if you don't hear it right, if you have any questions, yo, I will type it out very nice and clearly for you down below in description. So here are the rules. Very, very simple. Go ahead and put your listening ears on. Let's get it. Number 1, make sure you like the video. Number 2, make sure you subscribe to me and Champ Sports. Number 3, make sure you're following me and Champ Sports on IG. You should already have half of that done by following me. If you're not following me, what are you doing? Go ahead and fix that. Number 4, comment one time down below your Instagram handle, because that is how I'll be announcing the winners on IG, and I will also be tagging them, DMing them through Instagram. It's a lot easier for me to do it that way. And also comment your size. But before you go ahead and put that comment down below, let me show you what I got for y'all. I got pairs on top of pairs on top of pairs for you guys. It's a new year. A lot of y'all were asking about a giveaway. Got a lot of packing peanuts in these joints, and here we go. I'm not sure how many actual pairs are in this box, and I'm not trying to get this stuff everywhere. So blam, one of these is my pair. There's nothing I can really do about that. And the first one I pick out of the box is actually mine. Size 11.5, limited edition Champ Sports box in Timberland. Obviously all over burgundy, oxblood feel to it. You got the felt Timberland on the top of the box, and this is a limited edition 40-inch below, 6-inch boot, all burgundy with the cream aspects to it. So yeah, you can win these 190, almost $200 pairs of shoes for free $99. And once again, thank you to Chance, because these are gonna come very, very, very in handy for me because it has been kind of cold. Today was the one hot day, but trust me, bro, we have had our fair share of snow out here in Virginia. So listen, this is my pair, but let's move mine out of the way. No one cares about my pair. Let's show y'all what y'all gonna get. So let me just get into this box right here, and obviously I'm just gonna have to clean all this up. Here's 1, 2 pairs, and then we got 1 more in here. 3 brand new pairs. Let's see what this is. Size 11.5, size 10, and we also have a size 10. So we have 2 10s. I might actually have some double winners. First up out of the new box, we got a brand new size 8.5. Go ahead, add those to the stack. Next up, we got a brand new size 12. Y'all know Tim's run big, so you wanna go half a size down. Blam, for somebody out there for free, $99. Next up, we got another one, size 12. I think I have a double. Do I have double? Maybe I have 2 size runs of these joints right here. Another one, size 9.5 right here. Another one. Just go ahead and just add that to the stack. Next up, another joint right here, a size 10. A size 10.5 burgundy, guys. 40 below joints. Next up, another size 9 for somebody for free. Yes, we are handing out the blessings in this new year for free, by the way, for free. And then last up out of the box, the last size we have is a size 11. So let me just make sure I actually have all the sizes. I already took out my size 11.5. Sorry, I need that joint. So in the end, yes, we'll be giving away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pairs. I gotta eat 2. So if you do put a size on your comment, remember you can only comment once. So if you've already commented, just go back and edit it, because if I pull it up on the random comment picker and it says you commented twice, you are out of there. So put all your info in 1 complete comment. I don't want you to lose just because you had to comment twice. Just edit your comment. Now can I look at my pair really quick? I know all this is gonna be for y'all, but let me at least peep my own pair real quick. So these right here are actually the 40 below 6-inch, and that's a little bit different than your normal 6-inch to me. From what I'm seeing, I think they are a little bit higher. Of course, you guys can tell that the collar is a little bit different as well. And let me just go ahead and turn this down so y'all can actually get the true color of the boot. Timberland on the hang tag, just a good look. I mean, you cannot go wrong with a solid pair of Timbs. And thank you, Chance, for sending these joints over. These will stay locked in the vault, but I don't only have blessings for myself. Of course, I will be keeping this pair. I also will be blessing all of you guys for the new year. So leave a comment down below. I got 10 pairs to give away. Good luck, and I will see y'all in the next video. Much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, Bozzy, of course. Hold on, let me get the other one. Let me get the other one real quick. Bullet RC, and I will see y'all on the next video. Champs, thank you, and thanks to everybody that's going to be entering. Thank you for subscribing, following. You already know, man, it's 2018. The work just keeps coming. This is for you. I am out of here. Peace.
Astral worlds, my planet, my home. Cars too high, the fumes too strong. Mix this cup